Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Channel for Beginners, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Julia.
Hello, Julia, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. I am so happy to be here today.
I am happy you are here too, James. You look very excited today.
I am excited, Julia. I was looking at pictures of different cities this morning.
Oh, really? What kind of cities?
Big cities, small towns, places near the sea, places with snow, places with tiny streets and beautiful old houses.
That sounds lovely.
Yes, and it made me think about living abroad.
Perfect, James, because that is our topic today. We are going to talk about living abroad.
Living abroad means living in another country, right?
Exactly. Abroad means in another country. So living abroad means building your daily life in a new country.
Wow, that sounds exciting, but also a little scary.
That's very normal. Living abroad can be exciting, difficult, funny, lonely, and beautiful at the same time.
All at the same time? That sounds like my first day at a new gym.
Maybe a little like that. Everything is new. You do not know where things are. You are learning all the time.
And for English learners, this topic is very useful.
Yes, because when you live abroad, you use English in real life. You use it at the airport, in a shop, at the bank, at school, at work, and with neighbors.
So English is not only a subject, it becomes your daily tool.
Exactly. And today, I have a small secret tip for feeling more comfortable in a new country.
A secret tip? Oh, I need that.
I will share it near the end of the episode.
Okay, I will wait, but my suitcase is already curious.
Good. Let's begin with the first day.
I think the first day abroad must feel very strange.
It often does. You arrive with your bags, your phone, your passport, and many questions.
My first question would be, where's the exit?
That is actually a very useful sentence.
Really?
Yes, you can say, "Excuse me, where's the exit?"
Excuse me, where's the exit?
Very good. You can also say, "Where can I get a taxi?"
Where can I get a taxi?
Excellent. These are simple but important sentences.
I like simple sentences. They save your life when your brain is tired.
Exactly. On your first day abroad, your brain may feel full. New signs, new sounds, new people, new rules.
And maybe your phone battery is at 3%.
Oh no, that is stressful.
Yes. Then you need another important sentence.
What sentence?
Excuse me, can I charge my phone here?
That is a great sentence.
I would use it very quickly.
Yes. And notice something. These sentences are polite. Excuse me is very useful.
So when I am not sure, I can start with, excuse me.
Exactly. It makes the sentence softer and friendlier.
That sounds useful, right?
Very useful. Living abroad teaches you that polite, simple English is powerful.
Not perfect English, simple, polite English.
Exactly. It is not about perfect grammar. It is about communication.
What happens after the airport?
Usually, you need to find your new home or hotel.
That sounds easy with a map.
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Maps can help, but streets can still be confusing.
I once followed a map and walked in a big circle.
Did you arrive?
Yes, but I arrived tired and angry at the map.
That happens. In a new country, it is good to ask for help.
But sometimes people feel shy.
Yes, but we can practice. You can say, "I'm new here. Can you help me?"
I'm new here. Can you help me?
Good. Another sentence is this the right way to the train station?
Is this the right way to the train station?
Very good.
I like, I'm new here. It explains the situation.
Yes, people understand when you are new. Most people are kind if you ask politely.
What if I do not understand the answer?
Then say, "Can you say that slowly, please?"
Can you say that slowly, please?
Perfect. This is one of the best sentences for English learners abroad.
I need that sentence on a t-shirt.
That would be a very useful t-shirt.
Front side, can you say that slowly, please? Back side, I am trying my best.
I love it.
But really, it feels nice to have these sentences ready.
Yes, ready sentences give you confidence.
Ready sentences. That means sentences I practice before I need them?
Exactly. You practice them at home, so you can use them outside.
That is smart. Like packing words in your suitcase.
Perfect image, James. Pack your useful sentences before you travel. Now, let's talk about daily life abroad.
Daily life is the real test.
It is. At first, even small things feel big.
Like buying soap?
Yes, buying soap, taking the bus, opening a bank account, or asking where the post office is.
The post office. I always forget where that is, even in my own city.
Me too. But abroad, you may need to ask more questions.
What is a good sentence for a shop?
You can say, "Excuse me, do you have this in a smaller size?"
Do you have this in a smaller size?
Good. Or, "How much does this cost?"
How much does this cost?
Excellent.
I know that one. It is dangerous if you love shopping.
True. Another useful one is, "Can I pay by card?"
Can I pay by card?
Very good. These are daily life sentences.
I think daily English is more important than big English.
Exactly. You may not need difficult words every day, but you need simple sentences many times.
So living abroad teaches practical English.
Yes, practical means useful in real life.
Practical. So whereas the bathroom is practical.
Very practical.
And the history of modern transportation is interesting is maybe not urgent.
Not urgent at the supermarket.
Unless the cashier loves transportation.
Maybe, but usually simple is best.
That makes me feel better. I do not need to sound like a professor.
No, you need to be clear, kind, and brave.
What about food abroad?
Food is a big part of living abroad.
I love this part already.
I know food can make you happy, but it can also surprise you.
Surprise me how?
Maybe breakfast is different. Maybe bread tastes different. Maybe people eat dinner later or earlier.
Or maybe you order something and it is not what you think.
Exactly.
That happened to me once. I thought I ordered chicken soup, but I got a cold salad.
Oh, no.
I smiled like everything was fine, but inside I was saying, "Where is my soup?"
That is a perfect living abroad moment.
What should I say next time?
You can ask, "Can you tell me what is in this dish?"
Can you tell me what is in this dish?
Good. Or, "Is it hot or cold?"
Is it hot or cold?
Very useful.
And maybe, is it spicy?
Exactly. "Is it spicy?" is very important.
Very important for my tongue.
Yes. Food is also a great way to make friends.
Really?
Yes. You can talk about food easily. You can ask, "What do you recommend?"
What do you recommend?
Good. That means, "What do you think is good?"
I like that. It sounds natural.
It is natural. And people often enjoy giving recommendations.
Because everyone has an opinion about food.
Exactly. Food opens conversations.
So if I do not know what to say, I can ask about food.
Yes, it is a safe and friendly topic.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
Yes, please. It helps us a lot. And we have a small task for you.
If you are still listening, comment the word abroad below.
Yes, write abroad in the comments. It is the perfect word for today's topic.
Abroad. I like that word. It sounds like a new adventure.
It does. And now, let's talk about culture.
Culture. That is a big word.
Culture means the way people live. It includes food, greetings, time, rules, holidays, and daily habits.
So culture is how people do life.
Exactly. And when you live abroad, you learn that people do things differently.
Can you give an example?
Sure. In some places, people are very direct. They say what they think clearly.
And in other places?
In other places, people are more indirect. They speak softly and do not say no quickly.
Oh, that can be confusing.
Yes, but it is also interesting. You learn to watch and listen.
Watch and listen. That sounds like good advice.
Very good advice. When you are new, you do not need to understand everything on day one.
That is a relief.
You can say, "I'm still learning how things work here."
I'm still learning how things work here.
Perfect. That sentence is honest and friendly.
I like it. It says, "Please be patient with me."
Exactly. Another useful sentence is, "How do people usually do this here?"
How do people usually do this here?
Excellent.
That question can help at work, school, or with neighbors.
Yes, it shows respect.
Respect means you care about other people and their way of life.
Exactly. Respect is very important when living abroad.
So I should not say, in my country, we do it better.
No, James, that is not the best sentence.
Okay, I will not use that one.
Instead, you can say, that's different from what I know. It's interesting.
That's different from what I know. It's interesting.
Perfect. It sounds open and kind.
What about feeling lonely abroad?
That is a very important part. Many people feel lonely at first.
Even if the city is full of people?
Yes, you can be around many people and still feel alone.
That sounds sad, but true.
It is normal. You are away from your familiar places and familiar people.
Familiar means something you know well, right?
Exactly. Your old street, your favorite chair, your family voices, your normal routine.
I think even small things can make you emotional.
Yes, a smell, a song, or a rainy day can make you miss home.
What can someone do?
First, do not be ashamed. You can say, I feel a little lonely today.
I feel a little lonely today.
Good. That sentence is simple and honest.
But who can I say it to?
Maybe a friend, a classmate, a coworker, or even in a message to family.
So I do not need to hide it.
No, sharing feelings can help.
What else helps?
Make small connections. Say hello to the same person at the bus stop. Join a class, visit the same library, talk to one neighbor.
Small connections become a new life.
Exactly. You do not build a new life in one day. You build it slowly.
Like building a house with small bricks.
Yes, each conversation is one small brick.
I like that. Today I say hello. Tomorrow maybe I ask a question.
Exactly. You can start very small.
What about making mistakes with English abroad?
Mistakes will happen.
That sounds scary.
It can feel scary, but it is normal. Everyone makes mistakes in a new language.
I once said, I am boring, when I wanted to say I am bored.
That is a common mistake.
The person looked at me and said, No, you are not boring.
That was kind.
Yes, but my face became very red.
That means you felt embarrassed.
Embarrassed. Yes, very embarrassed.
But that mistake helped you remember the correct word.
True. Now I never forget it.
So mistakes are not the end. They are part of learning.
That is a useful idea.
You can say, sorry, I mean, and then try again.
Sorry, I mean...
Good. For example, sorry, I mean, I am bored.
Sorry, I mean, I am bored.
Perfect.
That sentence is like a small repair tool.
Exactly. It repairs the conversation.
I need a whole box of conversation tools.
And we are giving you some today.
Thank you. My English toolbox is growing.
Good. Another useful phrase is, let me try again.
Let me try again.
Excellent. That sounds confident.
I like that. It says, I made a mistake, but I will continue.
Exactly. That is the spirit of living abroad.
Julia, what about documents and serious things?
Ah, yes. Living abroad is not only cafes and new streets. There are also documents.
Documents make me nervous in every country.
Many people feel that way. You may need forms, cards, appointments, addresses, and signatures.
Appointment means a planned time to meet someone, right?
Exactly. You may have an appointment at the bank, the doctor, or an office.
What sentence can help?
You can say, I have an appointment at 10 o'clock.
I have an appointment at 10 o'clock.
Good. Another sentence is, could you help me fill out this form?
Could you help me fill out this form?
Very good. Fill out a form means write information on a form.
Fill out a form. Name, address, phone number, and maybe many boxes.
Yes, and if you do not understand, ask, do not guess.
That is important.
You can say, I'm sorry, I don't understand this part.
I'm sorry, I don't understand this part.
Excellent.
That sentence can save you from big mistakes.
Exactly. Asking is not weakness. Asking is smart.
I like that. Asking is smart.
Yes, especially when you live abroad.
Oh, Julia, you mentioned a secret tip at the beginning.
I did. Are you ready for it?
I am very ready. My passport is ready too.
Good. My secret is called the 3 places rule.
The 3 places rule. What does that mean?
When you live abroad, choose 3 simple places near you and visit them often.
What kind of places?
1 place for food, 1 place for quiet, and 1 place for help.
Food, quiet, and help.
Interesting.
For food, maybe a small shop or bakery. For quiet, maybe a park or library. For help, maybe a community center, language school, or friendly office.
Why 3 places?
Because familiar places make a new country feel less strange.
Ah, familiar places. Places I know.
Exactly. When you know where to buy bread, where to sit quietly, and where to ask for help, you feel stronger.
That is simple but powerful.
Yes, you do not need to know the whole city. Start with 3 places.
1 place for food, 1 place for quiet, 1 place for help.
Perfect. And each place gives you English practice too.
At the food place, I can say, "Can I have this, please?"
Yes. At the quiet place, you can read or listen to English.
And at the help place, I can ask questions.
Exactly.
I love this rule. It makes living abroad feel smaller and easier.
That is the goal. A new country can feel big. 3 places make it friendly.
I am going to remember that.
Well, everyone, that is the end of our episode today.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation about living abroad.
Today, we talked about arriving in a new country, asking for help, daily life, food, culture, loneliness, mistakes, and important documents.
We learned useful sentences like, "I'm new here. Can you say that slowly, please?" And "Let me try again."
We also learned that living abroad is not about being perfect.
It is about being brave, polite, and ready to learn.
Exactly. And remember the secret tip. Choose 3 places.
1 place for food, 1 place for quiet, and 1 place for help.
Before you go, we want to hear from you.
Yes, tell us in the comments, would you like to live abroad one day? Why or why not?
And remember, comment the word abroad below if you are still here with us.
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to English Channel for Beginners.
Share this episode with a friend who is learning English or dreaming about life in another country.
Thank you so much for listening and practicing with us today.
Keep learning slowly, keep speaking kindly, and remember, every new place can become familiar with time.
Until next time, keep practicing and stay brave.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.